Last time I gave you a trade alert for Bitcoin at 58 and 60K. Did you follow? If you follow, congratulations, you are making pretty much good return right now. So what is next? Today, I'm going to show you again how I make the last trade. Again, this is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. And also, I will show you a secret pattern is forming by Bitcoin. And this secret pattern, you don't need to have my indicator and you can tell it with your eyes, okay? Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more and learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. So now we look at Bitcoin. First thing I want to check is my last video. Basically, I mentioned about how to buy. We give you alert for two price, okay? One is around 58K, another one is around 60K, okay? Because why? This is on July 7th, because we have the YM chip entry and also the candle basically go above the red line. So what is going on right now? I want to show you the update for the Bitcoin. And then I will show you also more about, so now look at the trend. So basically on this candle, on this one candle, I told you on my video, I say, if you don't know how to read this kind of pattern, okay, you can use my indicator to tell this single indicator called YM Club, okay, YM Club long, YM Club fast. When one candle go above both line, this is a very strong signal. So basically on this candle, right? So you have a trade alert here. We also have another secret weapon called YM chip entry to tell you institution is buying, okay? But also tell you when this happens, this means relative low. It doesn't mean it is the lowest, okay? Why? Because they have a lot of money. They are not like you and me, okay? One day finish the buying. No, they need to separate the buying. They need to separate the buying, okay? Otherwise, they will push up too fast. They will make some notice of the market, okay? So they don't want people to know they are buying. So that's why they separate. Does it make sense? No one buying at the lowest and then they tell everyone, hey, I'm buying. No, when they tell you they are buying, when they tell you they have the stock, this actually you need to be alert. Okay. Now with my indicator, you can tell what are they actually doing here. They're actually buying. And at this point, basically here, I give you alert rather than here, rather than here, rather than here. Okay. I give you alert here and then I put it on the YouTube for free. And so I want you to benefit also. This is an education channel. We don't recommend any trade, but I want you to show you actually some indicator can really help you to read this kind of action, okay? For example, the institution action, the trend, what is the trend? From downward trend to upward trend. We buy when we have one candle go above the blue line. You can see here. You can see here, okay? And with this special indicator, basically, I create another strategy to buy. If you follow my channel, you should know the strategy called first and the highest. Okay, so we use the first and the highest to create two breakthrough points. Once they go above, we buy. Okay, it is so easy. We have free strategy with this to buy. Okay, this only happen on the when the stock go low enough, and then they happen. Okay, so I want to show with you right now. We go above the red line now. Can we buy now? No, you missed the chance. You cannot buy every day. Sorry, you missed the chance. But I want to show you, you still have your second chance. Okay, very soon, very soon. So let's say, if you look at the YM Club super long, I don't use this one for trade, but this one is a good indicator to tell you in super long term what is going on. If you're a super long term trader, this is very useful. You can buy here. This is super long trader. When they go fat and then they go upward, you buy when they're touching the purple. Okay. Also, you need to match with the fund. You need to have strong fund, otherwise they get very frustrated, very frustrated. So now we look at here. The purple, we just go above it and look at this 5 candle. This line serve perfectly like a support and resistance. Now we are at on the support. On the support. Okay. So if you're very super long-term trader, you may consider this also. But I have to do a disclaimer. I don't use this. I use a better one, which called YM Club Long, YM Club Fast, and YM Cheap Entry because I buy low enough. My buffer is my stop loss price. The range is much shorter than here. Okay, and remember, this purple line is still going downward. We still have the risk, although we go just above this. Okay, the good thing is the YM cheapest, we have a upward line. The upward purple line, what does it mean? This means a very strong trend for the funding coming in. Okay, you see the red, they go above the purple and purple going up. What is this purple line mean? This is the moving average of this red bar. This is institution holding. This called YM cheapest. This is an exclusive indicator. Okay, back to the point. Okay, let me hide this first, and then let me show you something. So basically, last time I show you, if you use this strategy, right, to buy, basically it's around, you go above this candle, the highest point, around 60K, or these candles, around 58K, okay, around 57.5K, okay, basically when they go above, they go up. Okay, so one thing I want to show you, when they have one candle go above this first candle, at the same time, look at here, they go above this blue line. Okay, so remember, indicator is quite consistent. Some no, some they got some big delayed, but my indicator, they are very consistent. You can mix and match together, use it. Okay, so now you can look at here also. We have YM Big Buy. This is a big volume trader indicator, okay? To tell you the big volume trade, they're buying and selling. They only filter big volume trade, okay? So from this is the total volume. This is only filter the big volume. What is the difference? What is the difference? Can you tell me what is the difference? The difference is huge actually. This including individual, including individual. Okay, let me show you something. When they all the way going up, okay, this is a mixed signal with institution, with big volume trader, with individual. You don't know what is going on. Sometimes they can go opposite. What does it mean? For example, institution, they're reducing, or they're reducing to buy, they're reducing the trade. And the only buying, only selling happening for the individual. So what happened is they get locked up. They get locked up. Okay? Because many trade by individual, then it is not good. Then it is not good. You need institution, for example, YM cheapest to pull up the price. Because individual, they are messy. The action is not unit. Okay, so we need to have a better organized movement. We need someone to pull up the price. Okay, the individual, maybe they are day trader. Imagine that. Then it will be very frustrating. We need institution to come in. Okay, so now blue going fat, and the red is going upward. Is it good? Yes, very good. Funding, very good. The trend, very good. Do we have a buy sell point now? Not yet. Not yet. When is the sell point? Okay, for very short-term trader, they drop below the red. They close below the red. Okay, not the wick, but they close the candle below the red. Okay, for the long-term buyer, you need to look at this blue line. Blue line. Okay, so this is the update for the Bitcoin, and you please watch the video that I create. But by the way, oh, the pattern, I forget the whole pattern thing. Okay, now I show you the pattern. That's why you need to watch all of my videos. But sometimes the best I put in the end. Okay, and look at this pattern. Look at this black line. The peak, point to the peak, draw a line. And then you copy and paste, put here. You will see the bottom basically is touching. Okay, so this is a very famous channel. It happened in all the bull one. Why is that happening? Because of the institution buying. If you look back, buying, buying. Okay, so this is a channel they're buying. So imagine if the institution buying, what does it mean? What does it mean? Would they buy when it is at the peak? No. Would they buy when it is about to drop? When it is too high, the price? No. So they buy because they think they can go up. They analyze it much better than us. Okay. So this is us sharing today. So what happened is after this channel, what would they do? So if you look at here, two channel I want you to look at. Once they go above this black line, this is the first signal they finish the bull one. Another signal is, look at this purple line. The purple line basically is another resistance around 70.6K, 71.6K. This line is still dropping, so we don't know yet, but maybe it's around 69K. 69K. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Can they go above here? Can they go above the purple? We don't know yet. We don't know yet. I hope so, but we don't know yet because it's quite a strong resistance here. Okay, so this is the update today about Bitcoin, and I see you in the next video. See, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to subscribe yet, click the link in the description. See you. Bye.